Hi friends, this video shows how to use or enable back tap. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings sub icon. Go down, select accessibility, select touch, go down, select back tap. You can see right now back tap is off. Tap on back tap. Here we can see two options, double tap and triple tap. For now, let me tap on double tap. Here we can see list of options under system. From this list we can select one option. Let me select flashlight. So now back tap is on. Let me go back. You can see now back tap is on. So now if I double tap on back side of the phone using one finger, it will turn on flashlight. Later if you double tap again, it will turn off flashlight. Similarly, we can try other options in the list. Okay, so this way we can turn on or enable back tap. If you want to disable, you can tap here, select none. So now I have disabled or turned off back tap. Let me check it, go back. See, you can see now back tap is off. So this way we can use back tap, and this way we can enable or disable it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take it.